Welcome to Solve Gadgets. There are many wireless and wired customizable PlayStation 4 controllers available in the market. These PlayStation 4 controllers all look mostly the same, but hugely differentiate in their specifications. Which PlayStation 4 controller looks cool when you have friends around? What controller suits your hands? Which one has more functions? Let's find out. SCUF Vantage 2. If you want the best, you got to pay for it. SCUF Vantage 2 has everything you need. High-performance grip, customizable trigger buttons, control remapping, and the highest quality build on the market. Optional rear paddles give extra access to the main buttons if you feel the need to keep both fingers on the analog sticks while pulling off additional maneuvers, and this is really good for fighting games with complex combos. You can even open it up and take out the vibration modules to lighten the load if you don't use the feedback and plan on playing for a longer session. The Astro C40TR controller is a fully customizable, high-quality pro controller built for the serious gamer. Durable and serviceable, the Astro C40TR controller features swappable, replaceable analog stick and D-pad modules. Free software to create and share custom controller profiles. With more than 12 hours of battery life, the C40TR controller is made to outlast your game. All tournament-ready products are designed and developed to meet the demanding specifications of pro gamers. Quickly and easily swap the analog stick or D-pad modules for consistently sharp performance. Set up the controller in either offset or parallel configurations. Replaceable stick caps provide added customization for a competitive advantage. Seamless performance in wired or wireless modes with high-fidelity wireless audio. Create and save custom controller mapping and sensitivity profiles, as well as audio EQ profiles. Swap between two unique profiles stored on the controller with no downtime. Ready for any environment, the TR line of Astro gaming products deliver premium design and performance for every type of gamer. Remap buttons directly on the controller with no PC software required. The C40TR has fewer back paddles than some of its competition at just 2, but even for hardcore players that should be plenty. The nice thing about the back paddles on the C40 is that they're built right into the molding of the controller. They don't look like detachable hangers-on, as is the case with the SCUF Vantage or the Xbox One Elite controller. Here they fit right in with the design, resting where the tips of your middle fingers fall on the back of the controller. Optimal rear button layout for superior ergonomics improves precision during critical moments. Mappability streamlines the controller for any genre and playstyle while improving response time and accuracy. Some players have a hard time grasping the analog stick, forcing them to use the D-pad. And D-pads aren't always the most comfortable buttons, but fear not, D-pad users. There's a controller for you. The Nacon Revolution Unlimited Pro Controller combines all of Nacon's technological expertise in competitive gaming on PS4 with new ergonomic design. It has a battery level indicator on a controller. This controller is perfect for those who can't get away from the D-pad. Not only is it easy on the thumbs, but it's omnidirectional too, making it easier for players to make inputs. This might be a good option for those of you who spend a lot of time playing fighting games but struggle with analog sticks. Thanks to the integrated Bluetooth receiver, you can choose between wired and wireless mode. The sensitivity of the Revolution Unlimited Pro Controller sticks can be easily adjusted thanks to interchangeable heads and shafts. Additional weights can be added to the concealed compartments on each of the controller's handles. Ergonomic rubber grip on lower hand grip with adjustable weight balance. In PS4 Advanced and PC Advanced modes, you can access game profiles created with the included software. It also offers all the customization features, both manual and via software, that competitive players need. The Revolution Unlimited Pro Controller is Nacon's first PS4 controller with a wireless mode. The customization possibilities are endless. You can even change the color and brightness of the right stick backlighting for a truly personalized look. And with button mapping, left and right stick response curve, stick and axis inversion, dead zone sensitivity for each trigger and vibration intensity, you can transfer the data and charge the controller with Type-C cable. Boasting a wireless game mode, it's the ideal choice for the most demanding gamers. The controller and all its accessories can easily be transported in the included rigid storage case. Nacon Revolution Unlimited Pro Controller, a pure esports wireless PS4 game controller. PlayStation is always evolving, improving, advancing, and transforming. Sony DualShock 4 wireless controller with refined analog sticks and precision triggers for complete control. Hear more of the game and your teammates with a built-in speaker and headset jack. Play wirelessly with Bluetooth or directly via USB. A dynamic light bar that shows your status. And when you're in trouble, identifying your teammates and the opposition. An interactive touchpad for more ways to play. Motion sensors and the dance tracking for immersive VR experiences. Share your greatest moments in seconds. Upload screenshots and videos and live broadcasts to your game, available in a range of different styles. Discover new ways to play with the redesigned DualShock 4 PS4. Hori Mini Wired Gamepad. Throughout the list, controllers can get really expensive, and if you're raising a family, your kids may find standard controllers a little hard to use for their small hands. Sony and Hori have designed a controller to make their gaming experience easier. The Mini Wired Gamepad features a more rounded structure, allowing your kids to reach buttons easier without straining their hands, while providing the same great gaming experience you have come to expect with PS4 systems. Get started with a growing library of family-friendly games as you learn and grow as a gamer. With dual analog sticks, triggers, and modified touchpad functions, this controller has all the essential functions needed to play most PS4 games. Built for easy plug and play compatibility, this wired controller never needs to be charged to get you started quickly and keep you in the game. Great for companion play, the Mini Wired Gamepad opens gaming to whole family. You may even want to try it out for easier, less intense games. If you're trying to introduce your kids to gaming while saving a few dollars, this is a good choice. We hope you enjoyed today's show. Like the video, press the bell icon for upcoming video notifications, and enjoy next video of ours.